Why don't you fascinate me? I'm a very busy woman, my attention isn't free. My God, don't you recognize me? You're acting like I'm basic, but I'm legendary. Building an empire dripping in gold. I only live for exclusive and bold. Imported champagne, I'm ready to pour. But I've got a secret that nobody knows. I'm living a life, Gucci and Vuitton, I'm a designer crime. I'll pay when I die. Nothing could be worse than a life without style. Life without style. So dull. You all keep talking, tweet while you're busy making gossip. I'm the VIP, all wrong. Your perception of me, we've been questioning